Hello, everybody. This is Noah and John, and we are from UrbanDigs, and it is Friday. So you're going to get your weekly Manhattan market update. John, let's get right to it. We're a little late, but we're going to do it. I'm looking at supply. It looks like it's going down 5,078. Show me that chart.
Yeah, it's down 2%. No, and just a couple of weeks ago, we were talking about how supply looks like it's turned the corner and heading up, and it's just not so fast. So the analogy I used last week was you're in that train at Penn Station, you're leaving, you're still in the dark. You are still in the dark this week. It is just not moving much. It's just sideways at this point, really.
Yeah, it's sideways, and that's not what buyers want to see. And again, I was questioning if we got to that 6,000 level at the peak level. We got about a month and a half, 2 months to get there. We'll see what happens. That's what we do here. But pending sales, let's move over to the demand. 4,180, Johnny. Show me that chart.
Yes, that's actually ticking up 2%. So we talked about maybe we've seen the bottom in pending sales. Pending sales actually showing a little on the positive activity here. So it is starting to tick up a little bit.
Yeah, and I'll just note right over here that you see the market pulse at 0.82. That has stopped going down. That went back up a little bit. That means buyers is they're not going to get nearly as much leverage in this cycle, in this seasonality than I thought they were going to get. So if I'm a buyer out there right now, I'm probably noticing there's not many listings. The listings that are good are going quickly. And when I want to bid for something, there's probably other bidders involved. That's what that's telling me, but I'll let brokers comment on that, Johnny. Let's go over to the weeklies. I'm looking at Manhattan supply 1 week, 447, finally a pop. Show me that chart.
Yeah, 447. That's a big pop compared to the week before. And really 447, that's the highest we've seen since early October. So we're finally starting to get these weeks where we're getting some heavy inventory numbers in, but they're frankly, no, they could be a little bit higher here. But still 447, nothing to sneeze at. Good stuff for buyers.
Yeah, and we got time. We got time for that, John. We got another 4 or 5 weeks to get to that level. We want to see 550. That's kind of where we were last time. We want to get to that level. We need it because it's being absorbed. Let's look at contract sign. That's at 285, Johnny. It's down a little bit, but I mean, the fact that it's at 285 and I'm saying it's going down, it's just crazy how high this is. Show me that chart.
Yeah, 285. I mean, look, it's down from over 300 last week. So we're still doing pretty good on contract signs. And we're in numbers that you normally see sort of at the tail end of a busy season. And we're really haven't even started the spring season yet, really. I mean, that's coming up in a month or so. So it's a downtick, but Noah, it's still strong.
Yeah, to think that wave of contract signs is yet to even begin. Let's see where we go to. We probably have to wait another 3-4 weeks for that to start to happen. Let's move on to the chart du jour, Johnny. I'm looking at price cuts. Let's just take a look at sellers. What are they doing? Are they reducing their price? How much are they reducing their price? If I'm a seller out there, should I expect to reduce my price? Johnny, what are you seeing over here?
Well, it's interesting, because in my inbox, I get a ton of emails advertising price cuts. And, my natural thought was, oh, maybe there's something going on. So we pulled up this chart and, honestly, we're back at, I would call normal levels. Like if you draw a line all the way to the left side of that chart, we're back at, 2019 levels, and the price cut around 5%. So these are totally normal levels. These are not COVID levels. These are not way up in 6%, 7% area for medians. Ticked up a little bit since January, but it seems like on a price cut level, the market has returned to normal.
Okay, I'm trying to draw what you're talking about here, Johnny. I hear what you're saying. I missed the first time. So here we are right over here. We're not nearly at our highs. We're not nearly at our lows. We're kind of somewhere in the middle. That's right. That's what Johnny was saying. I totally agree with that. So we're doing somewhere in the normal range of actual number of price cuts when we look at that. And I think your sellers, 5%. 5%. That's kind of what you look at. If I'm a seller, you got to anticipate I might have to lower my price 5%. Hey, you know what, Johnny? Sellers know, if they're testing the market and they're going a little high, and a lot of sellers do, and that's okay. Maybe I got to lower my price. Just do it. The important thing is that you listen to the market. In the first 3-4 weeks, you don't get that action. You do it. You know where you got to go, lower that price, get it done. The market will eventually make its play when your price is right, Johnny.
You're exactly right.
All right. Well, thank you, John. Welcome. I know you're on vacation. You came here late to do all this data. Thank you so much. I am Noah Rosenblatt. We're both from UrbanDigs. Don't forget, you got questions. We got answers. Just visit our forum. If you want anything in today's weekly report, it'll be right over here in your research notes. Other than that, this has been your weekly Manhattan market update. We'll catch you next time.